Magandang gabi po. This is Mon Tayag. I am singing a song sung to me by my father when I was young. My father, Attorney Enrique Tayag, was a guerrilla fighter in World War II. For a period of 4 to 5 years, he roamed the mountains of Luzon, the islands of Visayas, to deliver information and pass on communication from one unit to another, and from the U.S. Command to the local commanders. So he sang this song while I was young. I was still very young. Somehow I remembered it. He didn't even know I remembered. And I am singing this song just to have a record of it, because I might be the only person who remembers this song. I'm hoping there would be more people who would know this song. And it's dedicated to the memory of my father and to the memory of the freedom fighters of the Philippines and all the freedom loving people all over the world. Di mo ba kaya bayan nalalaman, sugat ng puso, buhat ng sumuko, di pa rin kita bayan pababayaan, kahit na ako ay lumapit na sa kabilang buhay. Ako'y paalam na, o nanay ko, ako'y lalayo na sa piling mo. Yaman din lang yan ang tungkulin ko, ang maglingkod at magtanggol sa bayan ko. Kaya ang biling ko ay ganito, huwag mong babanggitin ang ngalan ko. At kung ako'y di na bumabalik, ang bangkay ko sa bundok mo hahanapin.